So here's a viral app. It's called Vocal Rangefinder Whiz, singing exercises and warm-ups. So let's just double click to install it and see what this app is all about. It's going viral on TikTok, seems like that, as you can see. Yeah, it's in top charts, and a perfect app for finding the vocal range and practicing your singing. Whiz is designed to help you improve your vocal skills and technique. The app is suitable for singers of all levels, whether you're a beginner or you just want to have fun with your friends, or you're more like a professional singer. So Whiz also helps in finding artists whose voices match yours. After finding your vocal range, it will search for artists with similar ranges. And it includes a variety of interactive exercises to help you warm up your voice, improve your pitch and tone, and develop your vocal range. And it's best experienced with headphones. So let's just open it up, and then all right, so you just need to enter your name, enter your gender, and to give access to microphone. You can allow notifications, and then what's your vocal range, what's your voice type, how to improve your voice. So let's find out. So sorry, but of course I'm not like a professional singer. So this is your, then now you can just practice every day to improve your range. You can see your voice type is baritone, your vocal range is this one. You can redo, and then you can see singers in this range. Then you can see exercises. So then they just recommend you to connect headphones. So something like that, guys. I mean, and then you can just practice with it, and then it automatically identifies if if your voice is on the same notes. So yes, something like that. And then you can just correct your pitch accuracy, pitch targeting, endurance and flexibility, vocal range. But all of these additional exercises, unfortunately, they just need to upgrade. Where you see this pop up, and then that's the idea that it's just, it costs only $15 per year, or you can give it a try for $3 a month, and then it should do the trick. And so yep. Then that's just your account. So yep, and then if you want, you can just upgrade to Whiz Premium. So pretty cool app. That's just what you have here. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed. I don't know if it's on Google Play Store, or at the moment I can find it on iOS, so give it a try.